Good morning, family and friends. It's a Sunday. I have new company. Sharky, do you want to introduce them? So, my place. This is Goofy. Okay. This is Whiskey because of the whiskers. And this is Tabby. She's holding the tablet like in the Ten Commandments. And because it's a cat. Okay, this is what we do every day. First, we have coffee there, and then we go to school. Let's see you later. Good morning. Good morning, world. Why are there only 5 of you? Where's Whiskey and Goofy? You don't know? What are you doing, Whiskey and Goofy? Look to the right. Why? No, Goofy. That's not you. Those are horses because it's the year of the horse. Happy Chinese New Year. What, Goofy? You saw your siblings? Those are horses. Those are not your siblings. Oh yes, sir. Kapatid daw niya, oh. Tuk, 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 tuk.